August 11, 2025, Monday morning, exactly 4:45 in the morning. 97.1 FM radio station, Barangay Love Story, Wanted Forever, Barangay LS. Mamaya ang gabi, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. And Good Night Philippines, 11 p.m. to 12 midnight. Live si Babe Ball. Babe Ball, sorry, matutulog na ako. Ako si Babe Teen. Excuse me, Babe Ball. Si Babe Teen to. Sana halikan mo na ako, Babe Ball. Thank you sa lahat ng concern mo sa akin at sweet messages mo na naririnig ko live sa Solar Radio ko. Sorry kung wala akong text. Sorry kung wala akong Facebook Live. Babe Ball, huwag kang magsiselos ha. Ikaw lang mahal ko habang buhay. Pakis naman, please. Thank you.